how to install a WeMo switch to an existing three-way switch. That means a light controlled by two different switches. The WeMo switch has to be connected to the main switch, which is the one that's receiving the power. So the original switch would have 4 wires, a power source wire, a black traveling wire, a red traveling wire. These 2 wires will go to the other switch, and a copper, which is the ground wire. This one doesn't have a neutral wire, so you would essentially attach the WeMo switch neutral wire, which is required, to the neutral bundle that's in the outlet itself. You can identify the neutral bundle by the color, which is white or gray, or it is one of 3 wires that comes out from each bundles in there. So to recap, the WeMo switch will be attached to green to the copper, white to the neutral bundle. The black with the lightning bolt, I attached that to the original black wire that's coming from the power source, and the other black wire will attach to the red traveling wire. Finally, you would be left with 1 wire from the original, which is the black travel wire. In that case, the black travel wire, you would just cap it off by itself and not have it in use, which I've done right here. That's essentially leave you with a one-way switch, but the other switch has to be kept on permanently on, so that way you can use the WeMo switch with its automatic function. Okay, so once that's installed, the light should work provided the other switch is left on the on position. You can still use it to turn it off if the lights are already on. However, you cannot use the other switch to turn on physically. So let's give this a test. Okay, Google, turn on the light.
You got it, turning on the office lights.
Okay, Google, turn off the lights.
You got it, turning off the office lights.
Okay, Google, turn on the light.
You got it, turning on the office lights.
And I can still use the switch to turn off the light and turn it back on if it's already on. So it's essentially a one-way switch. Thank you and have a good day.